Akiaria giikaro-ini kinene gia kaunti ya Meru, Ngavana wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi oigite gitumi kinene gia guthondekwo gwa kamiti iyo ni kunina marihi ma ngungo maria oigite ni makoretwo magithie na mbere kaunti-ini iyo. Oho Kiraitu ni oigite ni oritie munene wa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria CID kaunti-ini ya Meru Joseph Limo athuthurie na aikie ngono aria othe mangikorwo marihitwo na njira cia ngungo.
The terms of reference of the committee are to scrutinize and verify the existing stock of pending bills against the county government as at 18th August 2017 or such other periods as the Governor may direct. 2. To confirm compliance with the procurement procedures. C. To establish whether all committed documents, including LPOs, LSOs, and contracts, were duly approved in accordance with the law.
Ihindeni riu munini wa Ngavana Titus Ntuchu oigite thirikari ya kaunti yayukirie thiri wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1 kuuma kuri thirikari ya hau kabere na uguo bata munene wa kuberegenya kumenya mathiri maria mama.
It's only fair that we verify the authenticity and validity of these bills with a view of servicing the genuine ones and disregarding those established to be questionable or fraudulent.
Ona kuri uguo atongoria aya eri ni moigite mendekithia ma kamiti iyo matikuhuthirwo kuigirira igenyo aria makoretwo makirutithania wira na thirikari ya kaunti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.
Okay,